Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your CMF Buds earbuds don't respond or respond very slowly to your touch controls. So, the first thing that you need to check is your phone. Try to pair your earbuds with a different phone and check if the connection quality is still not good. If it's still not good, your issue is your earbuds. If it's not good, if it's good on other phone and not good on your device, the issue is your phone and you need to have your phone fixed. But if the issue are earbuds, at first you need to do a factory reset of them. Keep your case open while having earbuds inside and hold this button over here for 10 seconds until you see here the LED light going red 3 times. So, this is the first thing to fix. The second thing to fix is that you need to try to restart your phone and both earbuds. Restart, not reset. So put them in the case and wait 10 seconds. Apart from that, you can try to unpair and pair them back with your device. Everything should be working fine. If it isn't, you need to contact the device support. Goodbye.